In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a link in bio with Flodesk. A link in bio can be useful if you're running an online business or creating content and want one simple page where people can find your important links. You can use it to share your website, social media channels, products, services, or other destinations from a single link. To get started, open Flodesk and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From the top menu, click on Forms. Once the Forms section opens, look for the black New Form button and click on it. You'll then see the different types of forms you can create in Flodesk. On the left side, select Link in Bio. Flodesk will display several link in bio designs that you can choose from. Scroll through the available options and select the design that best fits your brand. Once you've found one you like, click Customize it. Now you can start editing your link in bio page. You can add your logo, update the wording, and customize the different sections. Click into the blue boxes to change the text and adjust the content to match what you want visitors to see. You can also edit the form fields. For example, you can add a last name field and then drag the fields into the order you want, such as first name, last name, and email. The button text can also be changed. Click into the button and update the wording to match your call to action. You can also change the button color from the editing options on the right. If you want to add your branding, you can upload a logo and add a picture to the page. As you make these changes, you'll see the link in bio design update. Further down the page, you'll find the link list. This is one of the main parts of a link in bio page. You can turn the link list on or off, and then edit each link individually. Add the destinations you want people to visit, update the link titles, and remove any links you don't need. You can also simplify the page by turning off sections such as the logo, image, or bio when you don't want them displayed. This lets you keep only the elements you need. The form and background appearance can also be customized from the editing options, including the background color. Once the page is ready, you can adjust what happens after someone submits the form by editing the thank you page and setting the redirect destination. Finally, click Share at the top of the page. Flodesk will provide your link in bio URL. Copy that link and add it to your social media profile, such as Instagram or Facebook. And that's how you can create and share a link in bio with Flodesk.